Welcome back from Captain Jack. So once you have opened new file, this is the schematic window that appears. The blue outline shows that this is the work area where you will place your components, you will make the paths to show the connections and so on. In the top toolbar section, you can see there are various icons, various shortcuts available. So these are the file shortcuts like creating a new file, opening a file and saving the file, exiting the project and so on. Over here you can see we can also go to a PCB layout option. We can also see the 3D visualizer. We can make a Gerber file, BOM, bill of materials and so on. Over here, this part, the toggle grid section, is used to toggle the grids that is available. So when you first open your project, you will see that there are lines over here on this page, which I feel is kind of messy. So I will just click on toggle grid, and the various grid options are available. So I'll select the dotted one, which looks good. Then we have the panning options over here, like zoom in, zoom out, zoom to view the entire sheet, and zoom to a certain area. If I want to see the parts that will be available over here, that will select over here. So this section will be zoomed in. Then to go back to the entire screen, I will just click on the zoom to view entire sheet option. There are also various options available on the toolbar like tools, view, design, graph. These uh, these will be explained further in the further videos when we'll be making a simulations or further projects and so on. So stay tuned while I explain the tools on the left hand side.